Wash and peel the potatoes, cut them into evenly sized sticks, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. Rinse the cut potatoes in cold water to remove excess starch. Soak the cut potatoes in a bowl of cold water for at least 30 minutes, or up to several hours. This helps to remove even more starch and ensures crispiness. Dry fries completely to make them crispy. Now arrange them one by one and add some all-purpose flour. Mix, mix, mix. Now preheat all in the pan for frying. Make sure all is hot completely. Do not stir the fries until it is cooked. Now see it's completely cooked. Stir them and change the side and cooked properly until it's crispy. Now it's ready to serve. Add salt on it. Serve and enjoy.